Are you looking for the best denture reline kits? Denture relining kits are a practical, often overlooked solution for restoring comfort and retention when conventional adhesives fall short. Over time, denture bases can warp or loosen, leading to irritation, slippage, and compromised bite function. At-home relines offer a semi-durable intermediate option between temporary fixes and professional rebase procedures. In this review, product number 1, Dentemp Denture Reline Kit. Overview. This Dentemp kit uses an advanced formula designed for quick, temporary refitting of both upper and lower dentures. The packaging note indicates a design shift may occur, but the formula remains consistent. The kit includes a complete reliner solution intended to tighten, cushion, and relieve irritation without relying on traditional adhesive strips. It emphasizes a user-friendly application with a 6-minute bite-down step and a 2-component system, powder and liquid, that is mixed before insertion, suitable for on-the-go adjustments when a dentist isn't accessible. Performance and user experience. In practice, the kit provides a noticeable snugging effect that can restore comfort for short to mid-term use. The reline is described as soft yet firm, balancing cushion against pressure points. It is compatible with both arches, which broadens applicability for mixed denture wearers. However, because it's positioned as a temporary solution, the relined fit may degrade after days to a couple of weeks depending on chewing intensity and wear patterns. The kit's reliance on a cold match or freezer step, as described, adds a pre-application requirement that may affect spontaneity, but helps achieve consistency in mix viscosity. Pros tend to include fast setup, broad denture compatibility, and appraised stability, while cons include a limited duration of hold and potential taste or odor from the Product number 2, Dentemp Denture Reline Kit. Overview. This is a smaller pack variant of the same Dentemp reliner system, 2-pack versus 3-pack, preserving the same advanced formula and full upper and lower compatibility. The packaging note similarly acknowledges design updates. It remains a soft but firm silicone analog reliner concept delivered through a powder liquid system designed for temporary refitting and comfort. Its focus is on delivering a convenient quantity for users who want a shorter-term solution without committing to a larger supply. Performance and user experience. The 2-pack approach makes it easier to store and use in phases or as a backup option. The preparation steps mirror Pack 3's protocol, with rapid mixing and a biting position cure. In real-world use, the reliner provides a stable bite for several days to a couple of weeks, depending on usage. Pros include strong brand recognition, consistency with the Pack of 3, and straightforward application. Cons include shorter total number of relines than the Pack of 3, and the same temporary design limitation. Technical notes emphasize zinc. Product number 3, Denture Fit Upper Overview. Denture Fit's upper and lower silicone-based reline kit provides a longer-term professional-grade feel at home. It uses VPS/silicone materials to create a custom fit liner that adheres without adhesive to dentures, potentially reducing irritation and messy creams. The kit includes multiple applicators, a primer, and swabs, plus an instruction guide, aiming to deliver a durable 3 to 6 month hold with a relatively simple home process. Performance and user experience. In use, Denture Fit's silicone liner is praised for its long-lasting hold and relatively clean application compared to adhesive-based fixes. The fit tends to feel more integrated into the denture surface, reducing micro-movements and soft tissue irritation. The kit targets serious denture wearers seeking extended comfort and stability, with the caveat that silicone-based systems can require careful cleaning and longer cure windows. Pros include long hold time, professional at-home results, and comprehensive accessory set. Cons include product number 4, Dentemp Denture Reline Kit. Overview. This value pack represents the premium option positioning within the price band, delivering 2 kits with a total of 6 relines. It reiterates the zinc-free, soft but firm properties designed for quick refits with both arches. The packaging highlights a 40-plus year legacy, which translates into brand confidence and widespread availability. Performance and user experience. The 2-pack, 6 relines approach offers greater flexibility for users who expect to reline multiple times or who manage multiple dentures. The formula is designed for temporary, non-permanent adjustments without professional intervention, with a focus on ease of use and predictable results for rapid fit corrections. Pros include cost per reline efficiency, dual kit flexibility, and long brand heritage. Cons include the temporary nature of the solution and the potential need for subsequent professional reline if fit changes significantly. Product number 5. Denture Fit Upper Denture Overview. This Denture Fit single kit option is the upper denture focused variant of the Denture Fit silicone reliner line, designed to deliver a precise fit on the upper arch. The kit includes multi-application accessories and is marketed as a long-lasting, professional-grade solution that reduces the need for adhesives. It emphasizes a silicone-based approach for improved comfort and precise molding. Performance and user experience. Users report strong, longer-lasting hold with a smooth, skin-friendly silicone interface. The kit's included tools aim to simplify the process for first-time users, though the learning curve remains moderate due to the need for accurate denture drying, primer use, and curing times. Pros include dedicated upper arch focus, long-lasting soft liner, and complete accessory set. Cons include lack of full lower